How many tools I use for my business. Hi guys, and welcome back in today's video. Today I want to share with you how many tools and what type of tools I use for my business. It's a video a little bit different from others, but it will be short, and maybe you can take some ideas and some inspiration of what type the things do you need to start your business or to add to your business. The first one is clearly my computer that's now it's recording. I have a MacBook Pro of 15 inch. I bought used, and now it's like 1 year that I have, and I use it pretty much every single day, running my software, watching video, working for clients. It's really good because I like Mac, the system, and if I go to a client I can take it and work, and pretty much it's simple to use because it's not too complicated. Maybe Windows it's a little bit difficult if you don't know anything about computer, but if you simple do business, the Mac it's really good. The second it's my little whiteboard. I have here my whiteboard, and I write some of my goals, some of the things that I should do every day. Now I use a little bit less, but in the past month I use it a lot to write down the structure maybe of a product, or for ads to register if it works or not. Then my other tools, as you can see right here, are books. I don't know if I consider it a tool or a resource, but books are really important. Like this one, I think it's the most practical book that I have, because once I have read this, every time that I should write something on internet, on Facebook, the product description, or when I should send a mail to a client, when I should sell something, I take this book and I use it like a guideline, because it has a lot of things about text, the word that you use, the question, and what you should write to make a good letter to sell something. The other tool that I use is this one. It's portable charger, and it matches with my second phone here, because I have two phones. I have my normal phone that I use it for messaging, call, some application, some pages, Instagram, and then I have the other one for the other Instagram pages that if I am in holiday I use that for business, only to post. I upload the picture on the second phone, so I don't lose battery on my first phone, and I can separate the business and the personal life, because a lot of people that work 9 to 5 have their personal phone and they have the work phone. I also have a USB pen that I use pretty much once every week, and I do the backup of my computer, of my documents every week, because I don't know if the computer still works, or maybe if can happen something and I can lose contracts or important documents. So every week I take my USB pen and I do a complete backup of my computer. For this video it's everything. This is pretty much what I use for doing business. I also use sometimes pen and paper when I go to the meetings, because if you go to a meeting and the people take the iPad or the computer to take notes, you should also use the computer, but if the other person use the pen and paper, it's better for you to use pen and paper, so you can relate more with the client and the client it feels better if you use the same thing to take notes. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. On the description you can have the link of my computer, of the book and from my phone, so you can see exactly what I use and you can take a look. See you in the next one.